trial started, there were a number of preliminary matters, some legal arguments and submissions. The magistrate hearing the matter is Senior Magistrate Patricia Arana, and she gave her rulings, and what will now transpire is that trial will continue on Monday, which will be, I think, the 6th day of January, when those who claim they have information that would assist the prosecution would give their testimony and, of course, be cross-examined by the various attorneys. There are 19 witnesses who are listed in the disclosure provided to the accused persons. Today also saw one of the new attorneys who's also a senior police officer. I think Commissioner has about 3 or 4 police officers who are trained in the law, working in his department. One of them did come to court and he was saying to me that they are making applications to the court to confiscate motorcycle and vehicle and whatever other item or equipment were found when they captured the plane and the contents of the plane. So that is also a matter that was in front of the Senior Magistrate Arana today as well. So today I was pointing out that under the procedure rules that govern trials and criminal matters, that there are persons who are in prison from September of 2018. The law looks very, very unfavorable on that matter, because the law is that the trial should really be concluded within a certain period. In the normal course of things, that period would be 6 months. You can't have human beings caged up in the prison. One of them is very, very ill. Both of them were administered a horrific beating when they were caught in the area, not doing anything. But so there was concern, but the main concern is that a trial had not yet started. Finally, we got a chance to make a start with the trial, but what would normally you would have heard me making the submission to say that, listen, in the Supreme Court we do things a little differently, in that the prosecution would advise us. We are defending people. It is their legal right to be defended. You can't have a fair trial if you're not given all the information. So we were saying we would know whether 19 witnesses will come parading through the court, or they would not use 4 or 5 or whatever. We would have an idea, a very good idea. They would tell the senior magistrate, Your Honor, we are only using 12 or 13 of the witnesses, and the trial will only take 2 days or 3 days, so that we can know, because there are people in prison and they are ill. If you look at them, they don't look the same way that when they last appeared in court. They have, one man has lost 28 pounds. He has a sickness which his family have to come bring medicine for him all the time. The concern is whether you will come to court if you are given bail, or whether the bail will be such that you can't dare not come to court. You can report to the police station every day, they can restrict your movements and so forth. But that was one of the issues that I was raising, that we don't want the trial to drag on for a number of reasons. It is now 1 year and 4 months.